Okay, working now on video 2. We're just gonna kind of quickly talk through the assignments that go along with this. So I know that we've been having issue with like the LMS grader. I have a ticket open with MATLAB, so hopefully by the time this is due, this will be resolved. But we have 3 LMS grader assignments. And the first one is we have to do a mathematical expression using arithmetic. So we're just going to practice using the MATLAB as a calculator. So I have a value x, and I want x to just be equal to this string of values. So 23.2 minus 7.1 divided by 22 divided by that denominator value. And I'm just going to have this be stored as variable 1 or answer 1. And basically all that you're trying to do here is just practice typing in what we have here. So you have to just show that you know how to do PEMDAS. So make sure you have proper parentheses, proper notation. Remember to include the period for certain instances of multiplication. And that's going to be it for this example over here. So assign the result for x. So you're gonna call this answer 1. So answer 1 equals 23 and then blah blah blah. And that's it for the first assignment. This one is similar type of thing, only we're going to store these as variables. So we already have A, B, C, D stored as variables. And now I want my answer 1 to be equal to A plus B divided by C minus D. So A plus, and you're going to have to do this, type it in properly so it'll do the math in the proper way. Again, don't forget to do the period for certain multiplication instances. Okay. And then the third one is we're just creating a program that will get the volume of a cylinder. So the volume of a cylinder is the area of the circle that comprises the cylinder multiplied by its height or its depth. So the volume is going to be equal to pi r squared times the length. So we have a radius of 4.25. The length, I would call it the height, but they call it the length of 8.625. And then we're going to use these two variables, and what we know is pi, which is a stored value, to get the volume. So you're going to have to create, establish radius equals 4.25, length equals, whatever. We don't have to do pi because pi is already pre-stored, and then you can do, volume of cylinder equals pi r squared L. Okay, and those are the 3 assignments over here. Let's go back over here and see what else we have due. We have, so we have a week 3 homework quiz as well. So we are not done with chapter 2 yet. So you don't have the mind tap due. We do have that other assignment over here. So that's going to be right here, your week 3 homework quiz. That's also going to be due. That's very mind tappy in nature. Again, open textbook, open internet, like not meant to be a gotcha. It just meant to get your eyeballs on the different assignments. Okay, so that's gonna be basically it for this video. I am going to do one more video, and in that we're gonna go over the handout for this week, which is found over here for your week 3 handout. Okay, so you might want to print that out or have it open for the next video.